Hi guys, it's Ashley. Hey listen, I want to invite you to an upcoming home seller workshop that I'm going to be hosting. We're going to do it in a webinar format, so it will be a live event, and I'm going to cover the questions that I get asked most frequently when someone's thinking about selling. Right now, it's what do I have to do to sell my home for the most money in the current market with all that's going on? What do I have to do with all the stuff around the home? What do I need to prepare? How do I handle and get through the inspection items? I've heard horror stories about that. What are all the logistics? How do showings work? What does the marketing plan need to look like to get a property sold in today's market? So those are the topics and many more that we're going to cover in the upcoming home seller seminar that I'm going to host. So look in the link for the details of the date and the time, and when you register, you'll get the link back to join the webinar. So again, home seller seminar coming up. I think you'll find it very helpful. Bring your questions and a pad of paper, and I look forward to seeing you at the event. Take care and have a great day.